Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another Auto-Vox product. This is the digital wireless backup camera and it is solar powered. So you can get this on Amazon at the moment for around £120. They have a voucher offer. Plain box, nice white box. Let's take a look at it. Okay, please read the manual in the envelope before installing. If you meet any questions about the product or quality of installation, you can email service@autovox.com. So I'm assuming there's the manual in here. Another leaflet things. You can extend from 12 to 18 months warranty. That's fantastic. Solar wireless digital reversing system in a few different languages. That's great. But now let's take a closer look at the product itself. So what's this little thing? Oh. Okay, we've got something here with a 3M sticker on the back. So this is the monitor. It's 5 inches. It's a 5-inch display. We have the antenna there at the top. That's the connector. On the back, there seems to be some sort of mounting holes there. On the side, we have a few buttons, up, down, and an M button. So maybe a mode. Okay. Okay, so we have a suction cup, and yes, that will mount onto the back of the monitor. Micro USB cable. This is the car charger line, and as you can see, this connector there is for that. So that's how you're going to connect that up. Okay. The final part. Okay, this is the final part. This is the rear camera assembly. The bottom part has 3M sticker and the actual camera does as well. This at the bottom is going to be the solar panel, which will obviously provide power to the camera here. At the back, it's pretty much plain. So this should stick onto the back of your car and just behind the number plate. So you can take a closer look at the camera there. It has a protective film. It is on a bracket, so it can be tilted forward and backwards. Now, for the solar panel itself, it has a compartment at the bottom. This rubber compartment here. Fold that back. And we have a micro USB port to charge and a tiny power switch as well to turn the device on. In the instructions, it does recommend you to charge this device for around 3 to 4 hours before installing it into the car. So I'm going to charge it and then I'm going to set it up. Okay, so the back is fitted, hopefully securely. Let's get this little monitor set up. A little peely thing in the corner. Okay. We have a mount with a suction cup at the end. Now this suction cup is very sticky. So we should get good grippage. So I'm guessing that's going to go like that. Then up like that. Okay, so it's got a 360 rotatable ball joint there. Let's get a good home for it here. Okay. In-car charger and the little connector here. There we go. Okay, so let's twist the ignition, or turn the ignition. Some power. Auto-Vox. Here we go. Just had to move it from this point here because it's it come away, so I'll go to the windscreen now. Okay guys, we have connection. When you first connect the device, you have to click pair, which then the monitor will look for the actual camera and pair it. Just need to do a little bit of adjusting with the camera pointing down a little bit. And it should be good to go. Brightness control or contrast, so you can turn the brightness up. I think that was alright anyway, the way it was. Mirror or normal. That's mirror and that's normal. I think I'll keep it on normal actually. I might change my mind actually when I'm actually driving. Reversing time 60. I'm not sure what the significance is of that. Guideline off or on. There, leave the guidelines on. Okay. You can also see there's a battery indicator at the top right there. That indicates obviously the battery power of the actual reversing camera. So I'm going to go out there now and straighten it up or bring it down a little bit. Okay, so that's a little better. I mean, it would be perfect if there was a driving bay. Let's have a look at that. That is pretty cool, isn't it? Look at that. So to get it more accurate, I'd imagine it'd be a lot better if you went... Ah! Now I know what it's for. The reversing time, because it's just gone off, hasn't it? The reversing time is how long you're reversing for. So I'm going to keep it to 90 because it went off then. Okay, yeah. Be interesting to see what this is like at night time as well, and how bright or dark it is. Those lines are pretty cool. Might need to straighten that a little bit more later. So in the unboxing video, you might remember seeing this. This is a little button. If you press the button, so you can stick it anywhere on the dash. It's got a 3M sticker on it as well. Stick it anywhere on the dash. Press the button, and it wakes the display up. So you don't need to faff around with the menu buttons on the side here. Once you've got it all configured and set up, you stick the button down, press the button, and then you get 90 seconds of time. So I'm trying to find somewhere with a nice parking spot where I can line this up. The camera's still on at the moment. You see the quality is pretty decent. It doesn't have to be amazing quality really, does it, for a parking camera? Okay, so I've just found a spot. So if I click the button, wake up the camera. There we go. That's still right. I'm not going to look back, I'm just going to use that. Now, okay. Still going. I think that'll do. Have a look. That's pretty damn good. So no real aligning needed after that. Yeah, that's pretty damn good, that is. Next thing to try is obviously when it's a bit dark, but I should have my rear lights on, which should assist with that anyway. Well, that's brilliant, that's really good. This is a dark test, so we're gonna, in the dark, it's lit up. So there is an infrared sort of light in there. You can see the red light there. I'm in pitch black at the moment, so I'm going to go and find somewhere a little lighter to park. Now if I put it into reverse, there we go, look at that. I mean, that's pitch black, so I'm quite happy with that. That is really, really good. Don't get too close. Whoa. That's what it looks like at the co-op. I made a mistake earlier. That wasn't infrared light. That is actually pitch black now. Outside. Just got back from the shop. If I put the brake on, that's the red you're seeing. So I guess you're going to be reversing. You're not going to be reversing without no lights on in the pitch black. So that is with the rear brakes on. Just turn the lights on. And obviously in reverse, you got that as well. Even that's adequate. So yeah, that's it. Really like this device. Really, really cool. Does exactly what it's supposed to do. Pretty much concludes my review and setup of the Auto-Vox wireless backup camera. If you're looking for a reversing camera for your car, this does the job really well. You don't need to worry about powering it. You don't need to worry about cables connecting from the front to the back of your car. It's all solar powered. The display at the front of your car, really easy to set up. The one touch button control to wake up the monitor as well when reversing, and the image quality is pretty darn good as well. So links are in the description below, guys, if you want to take a look at this on Amazon. And any questions, please comment below. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.